That's why even right now, like my favorite people today is like people that have kids because they're busy, or like women that are already like married, so they're busy.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jess. I have a special guest today.
Big special guest.
He couldn't even wait for me to. Okay,
what's going on, guys? I'm TPINDELL, and we also did a collab on my channel also, so go check it out.
Yes.
We did my video. We posted both videos the same day. But you know, things happen.
Things happen.
We ain't gonna throw nobody under the
Technical
bus.
difficulties. He wasn't prepared, so I had to.
Wowzers.
No, you know.
Right.
I'm gonna leave the video on his channel in my description box, so when you guys are done watching this, go ahead and check his out. Or if you just came from his and now you're here, how y'all doing? Today's video is gonna be a little bit of, you know, getting into a man's head, seeing what they like, and some female advice or man advice.
Yeah.
A little bit of both. A little bit of both.
We're gonna chop it up and go back and forth.
Who better to get relationship advice from? From me, and I haven't been in a relationship for like, it's been a minute.
It be like that, you know what I'm saying? Coaches don't play.
You right.
Coaches
When the last
don't play.
time you seen Doc Rivers on the court? You know what I'm saying?
All the way hanging.
Man.
I have my hand
Have you seen Doc Rivers on the court? You seen Doc Rivers on the court?
You see Doc Rivers on the court.
Dap me up.
Man.
I'm gonna keep this like really straightforward and real. A lot of men, like, you know, they say certain stuff. They don't be keeping it real. They say stuff that sound good.
Yeah.
I don't have anything to lose here, guys. You know
yeah, I know.
like, I'm coming from a great place, but keeping it 100.
He's keeping it real. Let's just get on into this video.
All right.
The first thing I want to know is, do you believe that guys and girls can be best friends?
No.
Why?
I think they could be friends. Unless a dude gay. You know what I'm saying? He might be on something like that. But like as far as guys and girls just being friends, like, cause I feel like best friends, you even confide in one another.
Right.
You talk about what's going on with the family, with your life, goals,
you get
loved
real
ones.
deep with each
You get
other.
deep.
Like,
so if a breakup ever happens and you see that person down, ultimately you want to kind of console that person, be with that person, like hold the person, hug them, just love up on that person, because you don't want to see your best friend down. So you know, sometimes drinks could be involved, different things can be involved. And lines can be easily crossed. I feel like guys and girls can be friends, but not best friends.
Yeah, I feel that. I mean, technically one of my best friends is a guy, and he's also my ex-boyfriend, and so I know. Anyway, so as a guy, what is your biggest turnoff from a woman?
Well, my biggest turnoff is people like trying to change you. Trying to change something that they liked about you. Like me personally, I am a people person. I want to make sure everybody having a good time. So sometimes, you know, when you date, get in relationships, women be like, why you so nice to everybody? Why you gotta be in everybody's face? Why you gotta be like, bro, this is part of the reason why you like me. Like, even being funny, and why you always gotta crack jokes, why you always gotta be the center of attention. That try to flip, I'm like, damn, like, this who you
That's what you
started
liked about me.
liking, and now you want me to cancel this whole part out, but just not for you.
That's insecurity.
Yeah.
On her end.
What about you?
For me, I think definitely insecurity is huge, because I'm the same way. Like, when I walk into, for the most part, I walk into a room, I hate saying this about myself.
It sucks though, oh, you're so conceited.
I know,
but it's true though.
It's true. You know, and that's honestly another part of how social media people, they become successful, because the type of personalities and people that we are, you know?
You can see somebody like, damn, that's a bright spirit.
Right.
That's good vibes right there. It's an aura.
So, I'm not trying to boost you did it. The aura. You said, I just think you said aura. I'm like, why you roaring? Like,
Okay.
It's an aura. You was close.
Keep that in there too. I want to let everybody know I ain't perfect. It's cool.
I need someone who can keep up the way I can keep up. Someone who can laugh, play, like joke around, play games. Not games, like board games. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with my head. Play with the cards. Okay, cool. I hate like a guy who's like mean. Like, I don't like all that like
tough
grab. Like, I need
some girls like that. Like, ooh, tough like a man.
Like, oh yeah, he mean to everybody but me. Like,
bro,
I don't like
I ain't
that.
got it, bro. Who raised you?
Who? That's not attractive at all. And I know a lot of females do that too. Like, they think like, I'm only nice to my man. Moving right along. Oh man. So what is your biggest turn on?
My biggest turn on, I like women that aren't not aggressive, but know what they want and aren't afraid to say what they want. Some women are like so standoffish, and it's like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't approach women. Like, I don't do it. And
ladies, this is not the one.
And I'm not saying I expect women to approach me.
So how do you expect this to happen then?
Fellas, it's an L, fam. And you guys here, it's an L, because basically what happens is women go out, they get dolled up, dressed up, and you try to approach them, they act like they don't want to talk. You're not about to mess my night up by saying no. I'm not
take rejection.
Yeah, I ain't on it. All right, let's get the hell out of here, man. This place is whack. You should have went to Hooters. So even like when you're dating someone and it's not even the initial time y'all met, even like down the line, I really like women just to say like what you like, what you don't like.
So okay, you want a female to approach you, right?
I don't want a female to approach me. I'm just not going to approach her. So if it was like something mutual and we chop it up and talk or something like that, I'm not.
So you want to be friends first?
I would prefer some type of friendship.
Okay, so we gonna role play real quick. I'm trying to figure this out. For any of you ladies who are trying to get on my dog, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it.
I'm gonna tell y'all I ain't want.
So we've been friends for a while. And,
right.
I want you.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. I want you.
That's what's up. Like, what capacity? Like, you like a relationship, dating, like right now?
Yeah.
All of the above?
Just drop them draws.
Okay. This is not gonna work, right? If I was like dating, serious, and with somebody, I don't want them to match me, but I would prefer them at least like, financially be able to bring like
bring something to the
70,000,
table.
80,000.
Yeah. Okay.
To the table.
So that cuts down about 80% of you guys. So I'm gonna bring someone who's in the 30 to 40,000 range for you guys next time. We go from there.
Ain't nothing wrong with 30 to 40,000. I would just prefer at least 70 to 80.
Jeez.
Please.
You could be single for a while. It's okay. All right. So what makes a man feel secure in a relationship?
I would tell y'all off the rip, right here. But ladies, if you in a relationship and you date someone and y'all supposed to be exclusive or with each other and that's it, nobody else. If another guy feels that he even has the chance with you, this goes both ways. You're doing it wrong.
Okay.
So you know what I'm saying? Women can say no, but there's a way when a girl say no and she smile and do a little something like, oh, she's playing hard to get, I got a chance.
Stop.
Or you say no, but you still continue a conversation, whether it's DMs or whatever. If that ain't shut down, nipped in the butt, because we all didn't know women and men that be like, nah, I'm good, I got a man. And you be like, oh, damn, she's stank with it. That's sexy. I be like, yeah, look at her go.
That is not it.
Look at her go.
No means no.
If anybody can feel like they still have a chance after you say no, or just in general, that they can still get at you and date you and talk to you, you ain't doing it right.
Definitely like everyone knows I'm your girl and they're not even like, oh no, that's so-and-so's girl. Like, I want people to know that I'm your girl to the point where they're just like, oh nah, don't even ask him to go out, he not going. I mean, like, I'm gonna let you go, but I want them to know like,
this girl said she gonna let you go. That's wild.
No, you
can go out tonight.
Do your thing.
You can do your thing tonight.
Be home by 9.
Be home. Be back.
No. I just want people to know, like, oh, don't even try it. Like, the heat lockdown, don't even try it.
I still feel like even like old school love, like you look at like grandparents have been there for like 40, 50 years.
Right.
They just love one another.
Right.
Like, you know what I'm saying? They took pictures like they had their own pictures. It wasn't about pushing their relationship out into the public like, oh, we're happy.
But times are different now.
Times are different. But our shit right now ain't working. It's broke. It's broken.
Like, okay, if you're dating a girl and she don't ever post you, are you gonna feel some type of way?
No.
I don't know. For me, give me a post put me on your story. You don't gotta tag me.
Give me a post.
Give me a post.
Give me something to work with. Please.
I don't like to feel hidden. Like the last guy I was talking to, even if I took a picture of my food, like with my hand in there, I'm like, oh, no.
Every situation different though.
I'm like, you gotta relax. Do you respect a woman more if she's not willing to give it up, or do you lose interest?
A little bit of both.
Okay.
I respect you more and I respect that, but you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to just be waiting around doing all that. I'm good. I don't have to do that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I get it. And that's what a lot of beautiful women that have a lot of great things going on, they like, oh, we're losing all the men to hoes.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh damn. Like, and I get it and it sucks, but it's what's happening.
How long will you wait?
I think what happens to guys, like they do the wait thing. So I've waited, you know what I'm saying, before. I'm talking about like maybe a clean like 3-4 months. We broke up. 2 weeks later, she hooked up with another dude.
Oh man,
2 weeks,
hurt.
I waited 4 months. I'm still in the V Club though, but still I waited 4 months. And 2 weeks later?
Ooh, yeah, that's a slap right
2
there.
2 weeks? I was like, wowzers. But that let me know that he was around though.
Oh yeah,
like,
he was around
with
the whole
her,
time.
giving that interest.
They was probably doing that the whole time. But sometimes, but that might be a good thing though, because like for me, like if I made him wait and I find out he was messing with somebody else in the meantime, well, I'm glad I didn't give it to you because you obviously you wasn't it. You didn't have it in you.
And we are in the age of people like if you ask somebody and they say I'm single and you be like, yeah, I'm single. I don't believe anybody out here is single. Somebody is entertaining that.
Yeah,
you either coming out or something.
Yeah,
or you about to go into something.
Yeah.
You ain't sitting looking dumb. Like
no, I'm single for real though.
But somebody fuck with you and you give them a little love back. You liking pictures and hearting back and you.
Nah.
You lying.
I've never been more single in my life.
DMs right now?
My DMs is full of, hey how do you make your hair grow? What product?
Can you open your DM?
Yes, oh wait, who is this number texting me? Hold on.
There you go already. Always popping.
So, a question that I feel like a lot of women want to know, and I want to know myself: how exactly do you get a man to commit? What do we gotta do? What's wrong with y'all? Like, why don't y'all want to commit?
I really feel like for most men, they really have to want to commit. First of all, it has nothing to do with the women. A man has to want to commit and want to be with you, like, you know, and that's from having multiple friends, and et cetera, et cetera. Like, it just got, sometimes guys are at different time periods. I've had guys that are married and are happy, but we still chop it up and chill sometimes, and they be looking at me like, man, sometimes I feel like I missed out. I ain't have as much fun before marriage that I think I did. So, you know, you gotta kind of, I guess, that don't mean just go have sex and be doing everything. That means, like, you know, explore, travel, and have a good time, know yourself, and don't ever feel like you missed out on a period in your life. Because some people be like in them relationships all the way through their 20s and don't work out, and you be like, yo, I missed all these years.
Yeah,
you know, so it'd be like that. So when a guy wants to, he'll do it. But I truly feel there's nothing a woman can actually do to make him, unless you're gonna trap him. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get knocked up, get pregnant,
and that still does not work.
Give him an ultimatum, and then he's gonna end up resenting you.
Yeah,
like,
that's not it.
Real type.
What about like the guys who say like, oh, just like, oh, you're the one, but not right now, or some crap like that? Like, is that real stuff?
Man, that's real, and that's a real dude. Because what most ninjas would do is, they like, what dudes do right now is they know they have a good one, right? And they keep that good one right there, but they still do all this other crazy stuff. They be like, okay, I just need her to survive the stretch of me acting like a damn complete fool and idiot. And then some women survive that stretch, and they're like, boom. But some women don't, and guys will be like, okay, oh well, like, you know. So it's really got to be like about a guy like you, and like, even I bring up financially, like that's like a great thing, but that's not everything. Like, I still have like women that are lawyers that try to talk to me, but I'm still like, that's, if I don't like you like that, that still ain't gonna do nothing. You not, I'm still gonna look at your ass and be like, every day, like, you get paid, nigga. When you supposed to get paid? How many cases going on? So it's like that.
So y'all men really just want us to be patient.
Not even, well, it's like patience, but also you have to be, you got to be real with yourself. You cannot change no guy, and if you can't, do you really want to be with a guy? You can change him, order around. You want a whole man.
That's true. You
don't want nobody you can order around, type of dude. That might be what some women into, a little dude boy.
Not it. That's not it. You might be into that now, but a few years later, you be like, oh, I'm sick of this. Like, you want someone who can tell you, sit down and shut up. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, right? It's not it.
So how do you feel about women that are in a relationship but they have a bunch of single friends?
That's it. What's she supposed to do? Change her friends?
No, I'm not. I'm just how you feel. Like, how would you feel if like you were dating a guy and all his friends were single, and they invite them out and they doing at all the club, you know what I'm saying, like single people spots, and instead of getting them mixed up, cause we in South Florida.
Yeah.
You could be in a relationship and you with some single friends, and they be like, oh, come on, girl, these ball players in the off season, these NBA players, let's come get on the yacht, let's come do this, and you end up on a boat close quarters with millionaires. Fellas, do not let your girl on that boat. Like, I don't care how much trust it is, bro. On that boat, you stuck.
Your friends, your man's friends or your girl's friends need to have respect for you.
She shouldn't even want to be in that situation.
Right, yeah. Like, you need to have respect for you, and they need to have respect for your significant other. Like, if I was dating someone, his friends need to know, like, we should probably, you know, like, okay, if it's a bachelor party and your best friend's getting married, go have a good time, do your thing. But y'all just going on the yacht party on Saturday night because a whole bunch of females finna be there, and you're gonna invite someone who's in a relationship.
You know them single young females.
And you know, I want them to invite my man. He better get the right answer, boy.
You're gonna be on everybody, all his friends' Instagram stories trying to in the background like this. Bring the screenshot. Let me see what he's doing back there. Who was that? Oh, no, that was
cause I'm Inspector Gadget in this thing. Like, I'ma know. So,
people that's true though, man. You gotta protect your heart, protect your feelings.
Yeah, protect that. Because when you get back home, you're gonna have to deal with your girl being frustrated, upset, feeling insecure. And I believe you should be secure in your relationship and be secure by yourself, but your partner needs to make you feel that way also. What about you? Your girl's going out?
Oh, no, I'm shutting that down. Why do women do this? So if I was a guy and I tried to talk to you, you was like, no, I'm not interested. And then you like, you know, you might have been dating someone and you just weren't interested.
Right.
Then I see your homegirl, maybe not that night, down the line or whatever, and she is interested. Why do women go back and be like, oh girl, you tried to talk to me?
Get with me?
Oh my God. Why?
I don't
know. Is that a clout? Like trying to say I could have had the dude that you like?
I feel like I could be a victim of this because I don't know if I have been through this, but if some guy tried to talk to me and then 2 weeks later tried to talk to my close friend,
he didn't know y'all was friends. It was like, it'd be coincidence. It's a small world down here. And then, but you know what I'm saying?
Real small.
I feel like you could tell your friend that. You should tell your friend that, but it's a way. You ain't got to hit him with that. Oh, girl, he try to talk to me.
Right, like don't make it sound like a lame.
Yeah, he try to talk to everybody, girl.
Yeah,
ain't nobody special.
Lame, but
well, y'all love that, boy.
You might could give her a little heads up because if she your close friend, y'all gonna bump into each other. Like, you know, but I don't know. It depends on the guy and how he did it. Like if he giving y'all the same line, sometimes y'all gotta compare notes and be like, what he said? Yeah, he. But
that's why I don't even be in them DMs and all messages like that. Like, nah,
yeah, we be out here comparing notes.
I be trying to send voice messages. Yeah, everything good.
That be expiring.
Don't say that. Oh, hey, you say that. I say that.
It's hard dating out here in 2019. It's just hard.
Gotta keep your head on the swivel, man.
It is hard.
Potentially be a trap.
Man, you gotta keep your eyes open. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if this helped at all. I feel like it helped me a little bit. It was fun. I mean, hey, cheers to, I don't know. We could, not me and you, but eventually be having relationships.
Yeah, she tired of being a bridesmaid. She want to be the bride.
My time will come.
Bro, I know a girl like that. She tired of being a bridesmaid. She want to be the bride. And all she do is like marriage Instagram quotes all day. That's not going to help your man.
No, that's so
That's not going to bring your man to you soon.
I barely talk about relationships because it just looks thirsty and it looks ugly. We can cut that out. Guys don't want to hear that. Girls like, it just make you look real lonely and thirsty. Like when it's gonna come, it's gonna come. Yeah. And you gonna know. And y'all keep it real about everything we talked about in the comment section. I'm definitely gonna chime in. Write your opinions below if you disagree or agree with anything we said. We want to hear. We gonna talk back to you. He'll get back to you in 5 months, but I'm here. And don't forget to check out the video we did on his page. The link will be in my description box. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Just what we did on my channel. The hair video. Oh, it was so long ago. Yeah, we basically did like a way to natural hair video, how you grow your hair. Tips on how to grow your hair, because that's the main question y'all asked me in my DMs. Like I didn't do 10 videos on it. They've been asking me for a while on my channel. Goodness gracious. I didn't want to do a dolo, so we knocked it out. We did that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, and also follow him on Instagram. We'll leave all the good stuff below and all that fun stuff. Appreciate y'all. We gonna holler at y'all. Y'all be easy. Take care. What? Take it care. Take it care. Take it care if you want to. Comment in the comments. Take it care. Take it care. Hashtag take it care. All right, y'all. Bye. Part is on the right side. I like it. All right.